Most creators think the hard work ends the moment they click publish. But that's actually where the real game begins. I've seen channels upload amazing videos that barely got any views. Not because the content was bad, but because of what the creator did in the first few hours after publishing. The truth is, YouTube pays close attention to how your video performs at the beginning. A few small mistakes can slow down your video's momentum before it ever gets a chance to reach the right audience. In this video, I'll walk you through 11 mistakes you should never make after uploading a YouTube video. Some of them seem completely harmless, but they can quietly hurt your growth without you even realizing it. Let's get started. Number 1. Don't panic if your video doesn't take off immediately. One of the biggest mistakes new creators make is expecting instant results. You upload a video, refresh YouTube Studio every 5 minutes, and after an hour you see only a handful of views. Suddenly you start thinking the video failed. But that's not how YouTube works. Some videos find an audience within hours. Others take days, weeks, or even months before they start getting recommended. The biggest mistake is giving up too early. Every successful creator has videos that look completely dead at first. Then, without warning, the algorithm found the right audience, and the views started growing. So don't judge your video after the first hour, or even the first day. Give YouTube time to do its job. Number 2. Don't keep refreshing your analytics. After publishing, it's tempting to open YouTube Studio again and again. 5 minutes later, refresh. 10 minutes later, refresh again. The problem is that watching your analytics every few minutes changes absolutely nothing. Instead, it creates stress. If the numbers are low, you lose confidence. If the numbers are high, you become distracted instead of working on your next video. The better approach is simple. Publish your video. Then move on to creating your next one. Check your analytics later to learn from the results, not to worry about them. Because the next upload will always matter more than refreshing today's numbers. Number 3. Don't send your video to people who aren't interested. A lot of creators do this without thinking. They send their new upload to everyone they know. Friends, family, classmates, co-workers. The problem isn't sharing your video. The problem is sharing it with people who are never interested in that topic. Imagine you make videos about photography, but your cousin only watches football highlights. He clicks your link just to support you, watches 20 seconds, then leaves. Now multiply that by 20 different people. Those early viewers are not giving YouTube the right signals. Instead, let your content reach people who actually enjoy your niche. Those are the viewers who watch longer, engage naturally, and help your channel grow. Before we continue, the next mistake is one that quietly hurts thousands of channels every single day. And most creators don't even realize they're doing it. Number 4. Don't start changing everything too soon. Your video has been live for 2 hours. No views. So you change the title? An hour later, you replace the thumbnail. Then you rewrite the description. Then you change the tags. Now you're guessing instead of following a strategy. Here's the reality. If your packaging wasn't strong before you published, changing everything every hour usually won't fix the problem. That's why your thumbnail and title deserve the most attention before the video goes live. Take your time. Compare different ideas. Ask yourself one question. If this video appeared on my homepage, would I actually click it? If the answer is no, don't publish yet. Because getting someone to click is the first challenge every video must win. Number 5. Don't delete a video just because it didn't perform. This mistake has cost creators thousands, sometimes even millions, of views. Your video gets 30 views on the first day. Maybe 100 views after a week. It feels disappointing, so you think, this video is dead. I should just delete it. But here's what many creators don't realize. YouTube doesn't stop testing a video after a few days. Sometimes a video stays quiet for weeks before the algorithm suddenly finds the right audience. When that happens, views can grow much faster than you ever expected. If you delete the video too early, you'll never know what could have happened. Unless there's a serious mistake, like incorrect information, copyright issues, or a major editing problem, it's usually better to leave the video online. One upload won't define your channel. Consistency always beats impatience. Number 6. Don't ignore your audience after publishing. Uploading a video isn't the finish line. It's the beginning of a conversation. When people start leaving comments, many creators never reply. Some don't even read them. That's a missed opportunity. Every genuine comment tells YouTube that people are interacting with your content. More importantly, it helps you build a real community. Even a simple reply like, "Thanks for watching," or "I'm glad that helped," can encourage viewers to come back again. People subscribe to channels where they feel noticed. So instead of disappearing after you upload, stay active. Your audience remembers creators who actually engage with them. Before we move to the next point, ask yourself something. When was the last time you watched your own video? Not as a creator, but as a viewer. Because that's exactly what mistake number 7 is about. Number 7. Don't ignore small mistakes you can learn from. Once your video is live, don't just forget about it forever. Come back later and watch it with fresh eyes. Not to admire it, to improve. Ask yourself questions like, where would I get bored? Did the intro take too long? Was there a section that felt repetitive? Did the pacing slow down? Every upload teaches you something. The creators who grow the fastest aren't the ones who never make mistakes. They're the ones who notice those mistakes and avoid repeating them in the next video. Every upload is feedback. Treat it that way. Number 8. Don't stop uploading because one video failed. Almost every creator experiences this. You spend days making a video. You expect it to perform well. Instead, almost nobody watches it. That feeling can make you question everything. Maybe my niche is wrong. Maybe my editing isn't good enough. Maybe YouTube is against me. But one disappointing upload doesn't decide your future. Every successful YouTube channel has videos that failed. The difference is that successful creators didn't quit after one bad result. They kept improving. They kept experimenting. And eventually, one video changed everything. Never let one upload convince you to stop creating. Because your next video could easily become the one that introduces thousands of new viewers to your channel. And that's exactly why the final 3 mistakes are so important. They're the ones many creators don't notice until it's already too late. Number 9. Don't compare your channel to bigger creators. This mistake doesn't hurt your algorithm. It hurts your mindset. You upload a video. Then you look at someone else's channel with hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Their latest upload gets 200,000 views in a day. Yours gets 50. Suddenly, you feel like you're failing. But you're comparing 2 completely different situations. Big creators have years of experience, loyal audiences, and thousands of returning viewers. You're still building that foundation. Instead of asking, why am I not getting their results? Ask yourself, did I make a better video than my last one? That's the only comparison that actually helps you grow. Remember, every successful channel started with 0 subscribers. The only difference is they didn't quit before the results showed up. Number 10. Don't chase every new YouTube hack. Every week, someone claims they've discovered a secret trick. Upload at this exact time. Use this hidden setting. Add these magic tags. Do this, and your video will go viral. The truth? Most of these so-called hacks disappear as quickly as they appear. YouTube's algorithm changes constantly, but one thing has stayed the same for years. People click on videos that look interesting, and they keep watching videos that keep them entertained or help them solve a problem. That's what the algorithm rewards. Instead of chasing shortcuts, focus on the things you can control. Create better thumbnails. Write stronger titles. Improve your storytelling. And make every new upload slightly better than the last one. Those improvements may seem small, but over time they create massive results. Number 11. Don't let one video decide your future. This is the most important mistake of all. Too many creators treat every upload like a final exam. If it performs well, they're excited. If it doesn't, they start thinking about quitting. But YouTube has never been about one video. It's about building a library of content. Every upload teaches you something. Every mistake makes you better. Every improvement increases your chances of success. Think about your favorite creators. Do you honestly believe every video they ever uploaded was a hit? Of course not. The videos you never saw are the ones that helped them learn how to create the videos you love today. Success on YouTube doesn't belong to the smartest creator. It doesn't belong to the creator with the most expensive camera. And it definitely doesn't belong to the luckiest person. It belongs to the creator who keeps showing up, keeps learning, and keeps improving, even when the numbers don't look exciting. Because one day, one upload can completely change your channel. And the funny thing is, you'll never know which upload it is until you publish it. If you remember only one thing from this video, let it be this. Uploading your video is not the end of the process. It's just the beginning. Stay patient. Avoid emotional decisions. Learn from every upload. And keep creating. The creators who succeed aren't the ones who never make mistakes. They're the ones who refuse to stop. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and let me know in the comments. Which of these 11 mistakes have you made before? I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.